Let me show you how to have an infographic like this. For creating these shapes, in first step, go to Insert Shape and add this rounded rectangle, and by Shift key draw it. Put its size to 3.25. And then add another shape. Go to Insert Shape and choose this shape, rectangle, diagonal corner, and draw this shape. Put its height to 2 and its width to 3.25. Put it in top of this shape and change its transparency. By this yellow point, adjust the upper shape and a below shape. Okay? And then change this yellow shape. And now bring it to the bottom of this below shape. Okay, now select your below shape and then your next shape. Go to the shape format, merge shape, and subtract it. You can remove its outline too. Make 3 copies of these shapes and rotate it. And put them together as the way that you see. For adding shape effect, select your shape, go to the shape format and shape effect, go to shadow and choose this bottom shadow. Put blur to 25 and distance to 12. Do it for other shapes. Now it's time for adding color to these shapes. I download this color palette from colors.com, or you can download your favorite color palette from Color Hunt. For using this color palette, I select my shape, go to the shape format, choose gradient, and choose 2 colors for each shape. Do it for other shapes too. Now duplicate your slide. Go to Insert and Add Shape. I used to add these shapes again. Select Shift key and by this yellow point, make it as this shape. Put it here and put shape fill on white and without any outline. In shape format, go to the shape effect and choose shadow. Inner shadow, it's okay for this shapes. Add text box and add S is same as a string. Select it and change its font. Make it bigger. You can add shadow to this letter and change its color to the color of, I think this color is good. Make copy of this shape. Put it here and then rotate it. It's time for adding your text. Now, copy this text and paste it in your first slide. Move them and bring them out of your slide. Bring these shapes closer. Now, select your slide. Go to Transition tab and select Move Transition. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.